Hey guys, Skyforce95 here, and today I have a small 3-ounce bottle of WD-40 for reviewing. So I bought this to help clear up some squeaky doors in my house. So its primary purpose is to help dislodge some rusty mechanical components, keep it rust-free and squeak-free. Now it does contain harsh chemicals, so definitely keep this out of the reach of children. It's flammable, it is corrosive, so be sure to read the cautions before using it. However, actual application is really quite straightforward. You just need to shake well, pop off the lid, and then insert this coffee straw-like tube into the opening, and then direct it towards the area of interest. Press down, spray, leave it for a few minutes for it to dry, and then you should be good to go. So right now I'm going to go ahead and demo it using it on my front door, which is super squeaky, as you can clearly hear. So let's go ahead and apply some WD-40 to it. So let's go ahead and shake the can well, and then point it towards the hinge, spraying it on all 3 hinges. When you're spraying, you definitely want to have something covering your nose, because this thing definitely is not something you want to breathe in. So now you just want to go ahead and let it sit for a few minutes. It does dry clear and it doesn't leave any kind of residue. You see I did overshoot a little bit, so I'm just clean it off right here. No biggie. And so here again is the sound before, and now here is my door after I sprayed the WD-40, just a few minutes after application. And if you can tell, it's a huge difference. Now you're probably wondering how long this thing will last. Do I need to reapply this every so often, and if so, how long? Well, I did also spray my bedroom door, which used to squeak like crazy, but now after 2 years of first applying it, I have not heard a single peep out of this thing. So I don't know if it's going to wear off in a couple years, but even if it does, it's sure to last a long time, so you don't need to worry about it. Even this tiny little 3-ounce can should be more than enough for your needs, unless you have a lot of squeaky mechanical parts. So it definitely lives up to its hype. It's not only just for mechanical people, but also for everyday people with some squeaky hinges. So you can go ahead and pick up this product. The link will be in the description for the cheapest one that I can find possible. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.